So we've been launching and studying those international has been launching different studying those products in over 20 countries in the last 2 years. And we haven't announced anybody on those projects before. But we've been looking at a way to launch this project in African country. And we've been collaborating with the ACAP in ASEAN and discussing where would be a good place to land. Then our friend Matt Jackson from UNSUA was stationed, basically assigned in Vietnam. Hanoi. We spoke to him, and he recommended Vietnam to initiate Guardian Dory project. So that's why we chose Vietnam.
So this project is really important for all the women, adults and girls around the world, including women in Vietnam, because will no longer be physical benefits, but also mental health benefits. As you can see the seminar, it is a way to bring all the difference and all the men and women together to understand the need of the training to prevent all kinds of violence against women and gender-based violence. And for them, we still don't know about Vovinam, with a way to learn about the Vovinam. So this is a very important project to be implemented throughout Vietnam and beyond, outside of Vietnam. Yeah, the seminar is fantastic. Techniques are very great. It's all-rounded. Now, it's easier to do a seminar because people can wear shoes on the floor. We don't have to put a match necessarily. So it's easier to understand what the techniques are, especially for beginners. And it doesn't really require my physical skill to execute some of the techniques. So the seminars are great. The participants are really happy, and for them to really and the seminar, I hope that we can continue with the same ongoing to the next months and months and more videos in different locations in the end. So looking not only benefit people from winning participating in Hanoi, but also in all the regions of in Vietnam.